Chromatol Water Saving Dyeing System is a water circulation system on the basis of the original dyeing and washing processes in the dyeing factory. This system combines the environmental friendly and water-saving SP series and the SPEC series reactive dyes independently developed by Chromatol, ensuring constant temperature dyeing of cellulose fibers and blended fabrics in an environment at 58 to 16 degrees. The Chromatol Circular Water Saving Dyeing System provides a systematic solution for the green and low-carbon development of the textile printing and dyeing industry. Chromatol's new generation SPEC reactive dyes can achieve 16-degree low-temperature subversion without any temperature difference from the dyeing system, greatly reducing energy consumption. In addition, the series dyes have a high fixation rate, which requires fewer chemical auxiliaries during the dyeing process, reduces the number of water washes and the amount of wastewater produced, and significantly lower the cost of wastewater treatment. In this system, the wastewater produced in the dyeing and washing processes is collected and preheated by a heat exchanger before flowing into the water circulation processor. The treated circulating water can be reused in dyeing and washing processes. Due to the constant temperature of the system at 16 degrees throughout the entire process, there is almost no need for water heat exchange, resulting in a significant reduction in energy consumption. The system had a water saving rate of over 95%, energy saving rate of over 19%, and can also save at least one-third of the dyeing time. The water circulation treatment system adopts unique technology to treat dyeing wastewater while collecting condensed water by heat exchangers. During the treatment process, as the water continues to distill, the concentration of wastewater mother liquor gradually increases. When the system is running, it will regularly discharge wastewater to the outside and collect it, and in fluctuating and pressure filtration treatment on the collected wastewater. The after-treatment water meets the water circulation quality standards, can be reused as processed water for dyeing and washing processes.